Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best panel carriers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the EnPoint Endpoint Sheetrock Drywall Carrier Plywood Panel Carrier. The EnPoint panel carrier has a multi-frame and thickened base plate. Also, it features a load-bearing capacity of 80 kilograms. Apart from being lightweight, this panel carrier has a compact design. Therefore, you can carry it in the tool pouch or in the pocket. Then again, it has a non-slip carry handle. Having a humanized design, it is comfortable for the hands. In addition to that, its pad has a lock for limiting the plates. Also, it prevents the goods from falling off and ensures safe operation. This panel carrier features increases control and balance during transportation. The body is made from ABS plastic while the handle is made of TPR and ABS plastic. Remarkably, the dimensions measure 370 by 165 millimeters. The plate has a maximum thickness of 35 millimeters. Finally, it is red in color. Moving on, at number 4, we have the PanelHook Adjustable Length Drywall Panel Carrier. This panel carrier is ideal for transporting drywall panels with ease. Besides drywall panels, it can also transport other materials. Having an adjustable length, it offers the best visibility and center of gravity to ensure control and stability. Additionally, it has a large comfortable handle and a flexible strap. Its compact design allows for easy transport and storage. You can keep it in a large pocket or a tool bag. Furthermore, it rests flat to allow you to place the panels easily. Its counterbalancing platform pivots to grip the panel comfortably. Not to forget, it weighs 11.2 ounces. The extra-large padded foam handle ensures comfort when carrying the panel carrier. At number 3, we have the Fuyuan Plywood Sheetrock Drywall Panel Carrier. This panel carrier by Fuyuan is effort-saving and durable. It is made of a top-quality aerospace aluminum metal. Also, its clever design makes it easier to carry the board for long without fatigue. It features a plywood thickness of about 0.025 millimeters. Moreover, this panel is safe from external injuries. This is because it has an internal frosted design, which increases friction. This panel carrier is light, hence easy to carry. On top of that, the handle arm and the clamp are strong, giving you service. It is suitable for heavy sheet goods such as melamine, glass panels, plywood, etc. Another important feature of this panel carrier is that it has a multi-flame base for stability. Lastly, it weighs 2.36 pounds. At number 2, we have the FivePears Sheetrock and Plywood Drywall Panel Carrier. The FivePears panel carrier has an ergonomic design. One person can carry it using one hand. Furthermore, it features a wider usage. It can carry drywall and plywood, panels, stabs, and sheets. Its self-adjusting gripper can accommodate 0 to 1 inch panel thickness. Additionally, the grip handle allows for one-hand carrying. Also, it is resistant to impact. Since the clamp can hold 2 panels or sheets once, it lifts loads weighing 200 pounds maximum. Most importantly, it does the job faster. The handle and clamp are constructed from aerospace-grade aluminum. On the other hand, the joint features solid steel material. This panel carrier is ideal for carrying plywood, drywall, and sheet. It holds the materials tightly. And finally, at number 1, we have the Gator Lift Plywood Panel Carrier. The Gator Lift Panel Carrier is suitable for carrying plywood, tabletops, metal sheet and drywall. It has a strong clamp that holds a load of up to 200 pounds. Furthermore, this panel carrier features premium quality ABS impact resistance handle. Also, its handle arm, together with the clamp, is designed with heavy-duty aerospace-grade aluminum. This ensures it can hold items for lifetime service. Further, its joints are made of a strong solid steel bar. Additionally, it is very easy on the user's back. the automatic adjustment clamp tightly holds the materials when lifting. Uniquely, the clamp can hold up to 2 panels or metal sheets simultaneously. This panel carrier weighs 1.94 pounds. In conclusion, its self-adjustment gripper holds panels with a thickness of 0 to 1.3. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.